Hey guys, we are back. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Capri, and I'm just gonna share a few tips with you all that said, y'all looked at my last videos and they were a little bit bougie or whatever, and you couldn't really afford the luxury items. Don't worry, I got y'all covered. So a company reached out to me called CoeeBags.ru and wanted me to do a little review on their website. So I'm gonna be checking it out with you for the first time. We're gonna do this together, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and screen record what I'm looking at on my phone, and we can look at this together and figure this whole thing out. See what bags are cute or whatever, and might snatch me up a purse or two or some shoes or something, you never know. I personally don't have a problem with replica items, but I prefer to save up to get the real items. But I have no problem with it. If you can afford one and you like the look and you want to go for it, hunty, all right? Don't let nobody tell you that you cannot spend your coins on whatever you want to, okay? Because who's gonna check you? Nobody. So first of all, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna head to the website. It is CoeeBags.ru. And first thing that I'm seeing, they are having a Black Friday sale. So this is the perfect time for you to snag a few pieces. It'll be here maybe around Christmas time if you want to give it as a gift, or you can gift yourself. That would be a good thing too, because I'm sure you've worked hard this year and you deserve a new bag. So I also see that they have unboxing and reviews from different YouTubers, new arrivals. I'm gonna go ahead and head down to the customer service and let's see what the shipping is like. So first things first, is telling me that they will deal with your orders within 3 days and ship it as soon as possible, which is a good thing because I don't need my orders just sitting there for weeks and weeks and y'all not shipping it out. So they ship by DHL and EMS, and from my experience with DHL, they ship really fast. You will have your items in about a week or less most times. Let's see. 7 to 10 business days to receive your package at your door. So like I said, a week, week and a half, you will have your orders. So I'm gonna go ahead to new arrivals and see what they have. Okay, I'm seeing a Fendi scarf. They have some Chanel looks going. They have boots, which is perfect right now because it is fall/winter. And them boots need to be hidden. You can't always wear Uggs everywhere you go. You gotta dress it up a little bit. And these look really, really cute. Okay, I see the popular LV tote bag. And the prices don't seem bad in comparison to what the actual prices are of the original items. And from what I'm seeing, they don't look bad either. I'm not sure, if you could tell how far off they are from the original item. So I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna check and see what brands they have. I'm seeing Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Dior, YSL, Fendi. Okay. They have shoes, they have belts. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the shoes that they have right now. Like I said, they do have boots. Oh my gosh, they have the really cute Gucci loafers that I've been wanting with the fur on the back. And for $192, you cannot beat that. I've seen these in the Gucci outlet store, and they run around $400. So that's at outlet prices. So if you get this, it's even better, sis. You don't even have to break the bank at all. Okay. And it says your purchase will be dispatched in its original designer packaging with the original box, the card, the dust bag, and the receipt. So you get all the goods here, honey, all the goods. The fur looks amazing on these. They don't look cheap at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back and let's look at the bags. Let's look up some Chanel bags. Let's see what they have. Because what girl doesn't love a good Chanel? And right now, I don't have $5,000 to be dropping on the Chanel, but Coee Bags has me covered if I do want one. So, oh, these are under shoes still. So let's see. Chanel. Okay, we're gonna look at the bags. First thing I see are some really gorgeous colors. Oh my God, these colors are amazing. Purple, you have your lambskin bags, you have the traditional Chanel bags. This is amazing. The quality on this looks stunning. Like, you cannot get any better than this right here. And like I said, the prices, they're in the $300, $400 range. Compared to a $5,000 Chanel bag, you cannot beat it. And for the most part, most people do not have real designer anyway, so who gonna check you for real? They don't even know what it looks like in real life themselves. So go ahead and splurge a little bit and get you a bag, honey. They won't know the difference at all if that's what you're worried about. Me, I'm not worried about other people. So their opinions don't matter anyways, because they're not in my pockets. They're not spending any bills. They're not doing anything with my money but me. So let's look now. And oh my God, this bag is gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to look at something like this. Like, if you want to get away with a bag, but you don't want it to look too noticeable, like somebody gonna say, oh girl, I know you can't afford that bag, but you want something a little low-key, you can go with a round Chanel bag, and it's only $240. You cannot beat that at all. Okay, look at this. It has the Chanel on the inside of the bag, made in Italy, but nobody's gonna be that deep into your pockets anyways, so nobody's even gonna see that. So I'm gonna go to my favorite brand that I usually shop with, and that is Gucci, because I have a lot of Gucci shoes, but nothing to really match with them. So let's see what we have here. They have the Dionysus bag. And let's see, oh, this is pretty. $310, you cannot beat it. That leather looks amazing. The hardware looks amazing. Look at this, baby. The details, they did not skimp on details at all. So I'm gonna end it right there. I'm gonna go browse a little bit more, see what I like or whatever. But I want to thank you all for watching this video. I also have a coupon code that they did give to me to use. It will be down below in the description box, and you're free to use it. So if you want to go ahead and pick you up some bags, belts, shoes, whatever, girl, I got you. Go ahead and use my discount code and you will be hooked up. Once again, I want to thank you all for visiting my channel, and I hope that you come back again to view the lovely deals that I always have for you all. Hauls, everything else fashion, I got y'all. All right? Thank you. Have a great day.